Why is my Samsung TV so slow and how to fix it? So first of all, from your main home screen, go to Settings. Select all settings from here. Now, from here, scroll down below and first of all, go to General and Privacy. From here, go to the bottom. Then you'll see Factory Data Reset. If you choose this option, all the settings will return to factory defaults, and this is one of the ways to fix your issue. Now let's go back. From here, choose Support. Now, from here, go to Device Care. Now, from here, choose Manage Storage. Now, once you come here, you can see various apps installed on your Samsung Smart TV. Below that, you can see View Details. If you select on that option, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. So, you can choose this option in order to fix your issue. Then, you can select on a specific app that is unnecessary. Then, you can see the option of Delete. So you can delete certain applications that you do not need on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, if we go back, you'll see the option of Self-Diagnosis. Select on this option. Now, from here you can perform tests to ensure your TV is working properly. You can select each menu to test a function individually, or else you can select on this option of Test All and then fix your issue. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.